An Elementary School Classroom in Islam by Stephen Spender. The poem opens with disturbing description of classroom in Islam. Instead of energy and curiosity, the children appear tired, weak and joyless. The poet describes them in unflattering, almost harsh images. One girl sits with her head weighed down. Another boy looks paper-thin and sickly. And a quiet boy at the back resembles a neglected, unwanted plant. Through these images, the poet immediately establishes the harsh reality of poverty. Stephen Spender is not merely describing physical appearance. He is showing how poverty affects health, learning, confidence, and even childhood itself. The classroom, which should be a place of hope, instead feels suffocating and lifeless. Inside the classroom, the walls display pictures meant to inspire students. There are images of Shakespeare, maps, and beautiful scenery. But these pictures feel almost cruel in this setting. For these children, the world shown on the walls is completely out of reach. The poet suggests that education without real opportunity becomes meaningless. The poem strongly criticizes the system that allows these children to remain trapped in poverty. The children's future is described as being sealed in a fog, symbolizing uncertainty and hopelessness. The poet implies that unless society intervenes, these children will remain confined to the same cycle of deprivation. Deprivation means lack of basic necessities. In the final part of the poem, Stephen Spender makes a passionate appeal to society. He urges authorities and educators to break the barriers that keep these children trapped. He wants classrooms to become places of real opportunity, where children can truly experience the wider world. The poet believes that only education combined with social justice can bring real change. An elementary school classroom in Islam is not just about one classroom. It is a powerful reminder that education without equality cannot transform lives. Through sharp imagery and emotional intensity, Stephen Spender calls upon society to open the doors of opportunity for every child, regardless of background. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.